Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to extra month name from date in Microsoft Excel. So get it started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, they'll show the Excel document, then show date from the convert to the month name. Firstly, select your all date. Now all date from the copy. Now keyboard press from the Control C. Then its month name is the paste in the Control press Control V. Then month name is the date from the select your all. Now keyboard press from the Control on. Then click for the custom option. Now type from the remove. Now type from the 4M. Now click for the OK. That's okay. Then you show the date to the month name is firstly January, April, December, October, September. That's easy. Then you show the extra month name from date in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.